Hello everyone, welcome to New Wave Healthy. In this video, you will see how much walking you need to lose weight. Before we get to the video, make sure you press the subscribe button so you don't miss any new video. Start your comment with, "I subscribe," and we will do our best to reply to your comment personally. Walking is among the most recommended physical activities which improve the body's well-being and health. If you want to stay healthy and keep in good condition your physical and mental health, take your sneakers and start your walk. Maybe you are wondering how long you should walk per day and how fast. If an individual is not used to walking, they can begin with 10 minutes and gradually increase till they can walk for 30 minutes. A 30 minutes walk every day helps in reducing the risks of cardiovascular diseases and stroke. It also improves circulation since blood pressure is lowered within 24 hours of exercising. Other benefits associated with daily walking. 1. It is helping to improve your mood. Walking helps release endorphin, which is one of the hormones of happiness, and it is responsible for the sensation of relaxation and pleasure. 2. Reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. Insulin helps to balance blood glucose levels in the body. When a person is walking, he stimulates the production of insulin. Walking is causing more blood circulation through all the body and reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes. 3. It is improving mental health. Walking helps to improve your memory and attention in all daily activities. Only 30 minutes walking per day keeps the body in good shape and slows down the aging processes. 4. Weight loss. Walking is helping you to burn a lot of calories. If you want to be precise, you can use a calorie counter. There are a few factors that you have to pay attention to: your weight, distance covered, walking speed, and terrain. 5. Boost your energy. Walking increases oxygen through your body. 10 minutes of walking can be much more beneficial than a cup of coffee. Walking increases the level of different hormones like cortisol and norepinephrine, which helps to boost your energy levels. 6. Improves sexual activity and extend your life. Fast walking can extend your life by 20%. Many types of research show that walking fast has many benefits for your body and mental health. 7. It helps to avoid osteoporosis. Walking can strengthen your legs. To build up more muscles, walk in a hilly area, or use the stairs. You can combine walking and cycling for maximum effect. In a case where one needs to walk to lose weight, there should be constant walking. It is also crucial to monitor the steps. Those who aspire to lose weight quickly should walk 8,000 to 10,000 steps in an hour. At that rate, fat is burnt fast. Besides, the walking should be done for a minimum of 3 days a week at the same constant ratio of 8,000 to 10,000 steps per day. To monitor the steps and identify the number of calories shed, an individual can use a pedometer or just an app on your mobile phone. A great tip for your walking is to create a playlist with favorite songs and enjoy them. Share the video with your friends. Ready to give it a try?